Want to start sharing updates or content on Telegram? I'll show you how to create your own Telegram channel in just a few simple steps. Start by opening the Telegram app on your phone. In the main screen, tap the pencil icon usually found at the bottom or top right corner. From the list of options that appears, select New Channel. Now you'll be asked to name your channel. This could be your brand name, community name, or any topic you plan to post about. You can also add a short description to let people know what the channel is for. Below that, tap the camera icon if you'd like to upload a profile picture to give it a clean and professional touch. Tap Next, and now you'll choose your channel's visibility. Public, anyone can find and join it via search. Private, only people with an invite link can access it. Once you've made your choice, you'll see a preview of your channel link. You can customize this if you're creating a public channel. Tap Next again, and you'll be given the option to add members from your contacts. You can skip this step if you'd like to invite people later. You can start posting text updates, images, videos, polls or links, and even pin important messages to the top. If needed, you can also assign admins to help manage the channel. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more easy how-tos. Got a question? Drop it in the comments below.